Picture classrooms where students' minds are as fresh as the air they breathe. Xair introduces a wireless indoor carbon dioxide detector, specially designed for educational environments to promote a healthier learning atmosphere. This device monitors CO2 levels, alerting staff when the air quality requires attention, thus preventing drowsiness and enhancing concentration. Xair, a renowned manufacturer with over a decade of expertise in crafting top-tier detection devices and laboratory equipment, stands by its commitment to deliver excellence. Our detectors are built to last, offering precise measurements and reliable performance day after day. Incorporating cutting-edge technology, this detector seamlessly integrates into your campus network, providing real-time data accessible from any smart device. With its sleek design and ease of installation, it becomes an unobtrusive yet indispensable part of your institution's infrastructure. To ensure every student breathes easier and learns better, Xair offers a special promotion for schools and universities. You can contact me through my homepage email address to learn more about the product, to discuss how our wireless CO2 detector can benefit your institution. We'll tailor a solution to fit your unique needs, ensuring that every classroom is a haven of fresh air and vibrant learning. Invest in the future of your students by choosing Xair's wireless indoor carbon dioxide detector. Together, let's create environments that foster health and academic success.